This young lady, Shneik Nicky Phillip, has been missing since October 2023 in St. Lucia. Family members contacted me and asked me to help find this young lady. Please, I'm asking anybody out there, if you know where Nicky Phillip, Shneik Nicky Phillip, please contact the police in St. Lucia 999, or you can call me, Countryman, 404-480-3514 by WhatsApp. Send me a text, anything via WhatsApp or straight. But we need to bring Shneik Nicky Phillip home. This young lady has 3 kids, and her kids have been motherless since October of 2023. So, St. Lucia, please, I'm asking you, bring some closure for this young lady family. But she don't deserve this. Her 3 kids don't deserve this. So I'm asking, please, bring this young lady home to her family. The kids them don't deserve this. What could she have done to disappear in thin air like this? And this break my heart. So please, St. Lucia, work with me and bring this young lady home. And the number is right there on the screen. Call the police in St. Lucia 9999, or you can contact me straight phone call, or you can send a text, or you can contact me via WhatsApp. My number is right there at the bottom of the screen, 404-480-3514. Thank you.